The doctor is in. With incredible sports cars, an American classic, British luxury, and one interesting thing. You do not want to miss what's in the garage. It's time for a journey around America in search of the hidden gems, rare finds, and unbelievable collections in the garages of the country's auto enthusiasts. Each week, Mike Phillips will lead us through the amazing, fascinating, and entertaining backstories that make up What's in the Garage, presented by AutoGeek.net. Today, Mike is in Palm City, Florida.
Welcome to another edition of AutoGeek's What's in the Garage. We're here in Palm City, Florida, and I'm visiting a Dr. Dominique Zacchio to see what's in his garage. I see a smart car out front. That tells me he must like small, economical cars. Well, I see his garage door's already open, so let's go check it out. You must be Dr. Zacchio.
Today, yes, I am.
How are you doing? I'm Mike Phillips with AutoGeek's What's in the Garage.
I'm doing very well. Nice to meet you, Mike.
Nice to meet you. Well, first off, I see you've got not just one Ferrari, but a couple of Ferraris, a black one and a red one. Tell me about these.
Well, I didn't intend on having two. The first one was the red one, the 328, and a deal came along where someone needed to quickly sell this, and I knew about this car for about 4 or 5 years before. And what happened next was I made the guy an offer, he took the offer, and I wound up with the 355 Spider.
Wow, this is beautiful. You know, when I pulled up, I seen the smart car out front, which is a small economical car. Then I come in here and you got two race cars, basically.
Yeah, the paradox, huh?
Yeah. Do you ever just take this out and stand on it?
Yep.
Yeah. You ever get a ticket?
No. In fact,
Not yet?
No, I don't get tickets anymore.
Wow. Which one do you like to drive the most, this one or that one?
They both very different.
Yeah?
This is a driving car that's great on the highway, nice sloping roads. The red guy, the 328, is a car that you stay on all the time through all of the RPM changes. It's a hoot. Two very different Ferraris. This is more comfortable, it's bigger. Judy, my wife, loves this one because she actually has room. That one, you don't get in it. The red one, you kind of put it on.
Oh, I see. Now, what kind of horsepower does this one have?
This has...
You see the motor?
Yes, we can. Let me go pop the bonnet.
Sure. Wow, look at that.
Yeah, this guy is well over 350 horsepower.
Yeah.
And all of it available.
So you put your foot down, the
when you
tires
put your
turn
foot
over.
down, the tires will spin a little bit. It'll go, you can spin tires through 4 of the 6 gears.
Wow.
And it has a top speed of 185.
Oh, that's incredible.
I have not taken this one to
That fast?
195.
Yeah.
No, well, there's no place here, and I don't want to put it on the track.
Sure.
My cars are street cars, and I don't really want them to be a track car.
Well, now I look at this one. This looks kind of like the one that was in that old show with Tom Selleck.
Magnum PI.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's that same look to it. It's real racy look, real sexy.
This is, this car, the 328 GTS, was really the end of the 320s series. The first was the 308, then there was the 328. And in the television show, this was the very last model that they used in that show.
Wow, this thing is it just screams horsepower. I love the way this thing looks.
This is significantly slower by about 25 miles per hour, 30 miles per hour in terms of top end.
Is that right?
But it's a hoot to drive.
Yeah.
Because it just moves under you, and it feels very nice.
Yeah. And of course, this is a target top. So
The
this
target top
off.
comes out.
You get a little bit of wind, get a little sun. Yeah. Now I see right back here you got a Volkswagen thing.
Yes, I do, and there's a great story behind this car.
Well, if you want to hear the story, then come right back.
What's in the Garage, presented by AutoGeek.net, is being brought to you by Rag Top, exclusively formulated for fabric and vinyl convertible tops, available at AutoGeek.net. And by ARP, the world leader in fastener technology. And by Pinnacle, science and nature in harmony, available at AutoGeek.net.